and one will compete in IMSA. Like the road car, the racer sports a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. This year's 24 Hours of Le Mans is shaping up to be a rather special one, as the Aston Martin Valkyrie is finally going racing, and this is the special model that'll hit the track. Referred to as simply the Aston Martin Valkyrie Hypercar, it will compete in both the FIA World Endurance Championship and IMSA WeatherTech SportsCar Championship this year. Aston Martin first started developing an endurance racing version of the Valkyrie long before the road car reached production. However, it scrapped the project in early 2020. It's since been revived, and more than 15,000 kilometers of testing has been completed at race circuits around the world. It is the only racing hypercar derived from a road-legal model and will make its debut at the Qatar 1812 kilometers on February 28. The racer shares a lot in common with the production Valkyrie and the limited-run, track-only AMR Pro. Valkyrie Hypercar is the only car compete in the top class of WEC and IMSA to feature a V12 engine. It rocks the same basic 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated mill as the road car. However, whereas the customer spec Valkyrie delivers over 1,000 horsepower, this engine will be capped at 680 horsepower to comply with hypercar regulations. Aston Martin has tuned the engine to run lean and will alter the torque curve to make it perfect for endurance racing. 2 Valkyries will enter this year's WEC season thanks to a partnership with the Heart of Racing. Both WEC cars will have a gorgeous green livery and be driven by Marco Sorensen, Tom Gamble, Alex Riberas, and Harry Tinknell. A single Valkyrie hypercar will be used in IMSA, sporting a Thor blue livery and making its competitive debut at the Sebring 12 Hours in March. It will be piloted by Ross Gunn and Roman De Angelis. It's a great time to be joining the pinnacle of sports car racing. It's an opportunity to compete on the global stage in a fair and competitive environment.